Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your Discord server. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in the app library and find the Discord app. So as you find it, tap on it and now you can, and in this corner over here, you can see your server. So tap on the server you would like to delete. Just long press on the server and you can see the option of, and you can see these options. Tap on more options and now tap on settings over here and tap on the first option, overview. Scroll a bit down and now you can finally see the option delete server. Tap on that option and now you would have successfully and now you can delete the server. And guys, that's how you delete the Discord server using iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, and if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.